Fact number 36. In a revolutionary France, a theory of evolution by Jean-Baptiste Lamarck was used to challenge the authority of the church and the king. Fearful of similar uprisings, England made evolution a scandalous idea. Fact number 37. Scientists believe that the nictitating membrane, which is nothing but the small pink tissue in the cornea of a human eye, is a remnant of a third eyelid, similar to the semi-transparent eyelid used by birds, reptiles, fish, and other mammals. It is used to protect the eye or moisten it. Fact number 38. The discovery of DNA, strands of hereditary material, provides the strongest proof for biological evolution. By comparing genomes of different living things and observing the changes in the coding of genes, scientists can figure out how closely different species are related to each other and identify how long ago a common ancestor lived. Fact number 39. 85% of the population cannot wiggle its ears or control the auricularis muscles that surround the outer ear. Scientists believe this muscle allowed human beings' primate ancestors to move their ears in a different directions to pinpoint and the locations of sounds. They lost the need to move their ears when they started to live in groups. Fact number 40. Scientists believe that wisdom teeth and appendix are leftover equipment from when humans ate a primarily leaf-based diet. As the human diet changed, these appendices have become essentially useless. Fact number 41. The term junk DNA refers to regions of DNA that are non-coding, or in other words, they do not code for a protein. Scientists note that evolution is messy, incomplete, and inefficient, and consequently, it results in DNA sequences with varying degrees of function or no function at all. In the human genome, almost all, which is 98% of DNA, is non-coding. Fact number 42. Hiccups may date back to humans' watery ancestors. Wiring in the brain that pushes water over fish gills and makes amphibians gulp air has been imperfectly rewired in mammals. It can make the diaphragm go into spasms, which causes hiccups. Fact number 43. Because of evolution, many animals lay hundreds of eggs each year to ensure that even a few reach adulthood. If all the froglets survived, the world would be knee-deep in frogs within 10 years. Fact number 44. The plantaris muscle in the foot is used by the animals to grip and manipulate objects with their feet. For example, apes seem to be able to use their feet as well as their hands. In humans, however, this muscle is so underdeveloped that doctors often remove it when they need tissue for reconstructing other parts of the body. About 9% of humans are now born without it. Fact number 45. The platypus is the earliest mammal offshoot from the reptiles. It lays eggs but produces milk like other mammals. It also has evolved the ability to produce venom independently of its reptile ancestors. Fact number 46. Humans have very little hair compared to other primates. Researchers believe humans have evolved this feature because the number one is it made it easier to forage for food in shallow water. Number two is it helped humans lose heat faster on the hot savannas. And number three is it helped reduce the number of parasites on the body. Fact number 47. Human evolution has taken 5 million years. Modern man or Homo sapiens emerged 250,000 years ago. Until 25,000 years ago, humans lived alongside the Neanderthals, who were stronger and more stocky. But scientists are unsure what happened to the Neanderthals. Fact number 48. The evolution of the mammalian ear can be clearly tracked through fish, amphibian, and reptile fossils. Mammals have three small bones in the inner ear that began as the jaw bones of fish. Over time, they changed form and function, shrank, and moved away from the jaw. This allowed mammals to develop a superior sense of hearing. Fact number 49. Madagascar split from Africa 165 million years ago, which was before Africa's large mammals such as elephants and giraffes evolved. Hence, elephants and giraffes do not live on Madagascar. Hippos are thought to be the only large mammals to have swum to Madagascar. Fact number 50. Some scientists believe that if humans colonize other planets, colonizers would face new environment conditions such as low gravity and oxygen. Over centuries, the colonizers and the plants and animals they took with them would evolve to look and behave differently. Fact number 51. A panda's thumb is actually an enlarged wrist bone that has evolved to allow the panda to hold on to its favorite food, which is bamboo. Fact number 52. Lip twitching when angry is an evolutionary leftover. It is the first part of baring teeth at an intruder and can also be seen in wolves, bears, and chimpanzees. Fact number 53. Birds haven't had teeth for 70 million years, but researchers have found them in the embryos of mutant chickens. Researchers believe that chickens lost their teeth to grow beaks, although they still have the potential to make teeth. Fact number 54. Researchers are unsure if humans are still evolving or if they have reached their evolutionary peak. Fact number 55. A new species is achieved when two populations of the same living thing become so different that they can no longer breed with each other. Fact number 56. Evolutionary biologists note that a symmetrical face is more attractive around the world because symmetry signals good genes for reproductive health. Fact number 57. According to evolutionary biologists, women are more attracted to men with a large jaw and prominent brow, which are shaped by high levels of testosterone. Men are attracted to women with smaller chins and less prominent brows, which signal higher estrogen levels. Fact number 58. One study found that men who were hungry preferred women with higher body weights. Researchers suspect this happens because of an evolutionary response to resource scarcity. In other words, a heavier woman advertises access to more resources such as food. Fact number 59. Historically, men prefer women with an hourglass figure. Researchers believe this is a product of evolution because the waist-hip ratio serves as an indicator of reproductive health. Fact number 60. Scientific studies have shown that blushing helps ease hostile responses by communicating that a person is ashamed or apologetic. Studies show that blushing elicits sympathy, which helps keep the subject alive. Humans are the only animals capable of blushing. Fact number 61. Many people feel the urge to lift their feet or climb to a more elevated position when scared or feeling anxious. Evolutionary biologists claim this is a remnant instinct from when early ground-dwelling mammals would climb trees when threatened. Fact number 62. Evidence for evolution is continually being gathered and tested. Consequently, scientists argue that evolution is both a fact and a theory. Fact number 63. Researchers believe that goosebumps are a remnant of thick hair that covered early humans. Fact number 64. The Tiktaalik is a fossil that shows a transition between a fish and a walking tetrapod. This fisherpod had developed wrist and finger bones that enabled it to prop itself up on its fins. Holes on top of its head suggest it may have breathed air through primitive lungs. Fact number 65. The term evolution dates from the Latin, which means unrolling or an opening of what was rolled up. Fact number 66. Scientists believe that red hair and pale skin was evolutionarily advantageous in northern Europe because it helped humans to synthesize vitamin D more easily. Fact number 67. Although the modern theory of evolution has its source in Charles Darwin's book, which is On the Origin of Species, which was published in 1859, the word evolution does not appear once in the book.